Solid Edge provides an amazing feature for automatically dimensioning drawing views. Start the Retrieve Dimensions command from the ribbon bar and pick the view. To automatically retrieve dimensions during view creation, change the global setting. Click the Solid Edge application button. Open the Options dialog. Take the Annotation tab. Check on Setting for Retrieve Dimensions during view creation. Now, dimensions will be created automatically during view creation. Drag a part from the library and drop on a drawing sheet. A single view is created and its model dimensions are retrieved. You can also create all three views in a single drag-and-drop operation. Go back to the Options dialog. From the Drawing View Wizard tab, check off the option for Use Drawing View Wizard when models are dragged onto the drawing sheet. Drag a model again from the library to create all three views in one step. Models can also be dropped from Windows Explorer, directly on the drawing sheet in Solid Edge. 3 fully dimensioned standard views are generated.